Hi, we're Let's Go Now Adventures and welcome to our Camping Knot series. Hopefully this information will give you the skills and knowledge to be more confident and have a more enjoyable camping experience. Hi, in today's video we're going to be covering the trucker's hitch. The trucker's hitch is a great knot you can use when you don't have a tie down. You need to secure a load somehow. And this is how you tie it. What we're going to do is we're going to make a loop and we're going to put our working end over the top of our standing end. Now this standing end, picture that has crisscrossed your load. You're just trying to secure it. You need something really secure and put a lot of force through. So what you do is you have a loop and you want to go, you're going to grab a rope, but you want to grab from this side is the side we're going to be pulling on, right? We're not going to be pulling this way. We're going to be pulling this way. So what we want to do, since this is on top, we want to reach through from the top and pull a little slip knot. So we've got that. That's fine. If it's not too tight, we're good to go. Then we're going to take our working end. We're going to go around that last little loop in our truck. And let's go through. It doesn't matter whether you go up or down. All we have to do is go through that loop. Now what this loop's going to do is it acts as a pulley, thereby doubling our force as we really pull that down and we can really secure our load. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to use a knot from a previous video. You may remember the taut-line hitch or the tent-line hitch. We're going to use that in conjunction with the trucker's hitch. Remember, go around twice. If you need to, go back and review that video. And we're going to go ahead and finish that up. Make the trucker's hitch nice and tight. Now all we have to do is just take it and pull. We've got a secure load. Thanks for watching the video today. Hope you've learned a lot. If you do like it, make sure you hit the like button down below. It really does help us if you subscribe to our channel, so just hit the subscribe button down there or right up here. There's also a little bell by the subscribe button. If you hit that, you'll be notified when we release the next video in this series. And be sure to check out the other videos from Let's Go Now Adventures. They're right over here. So have a great day and thanks again.